Hello, today I'm going to show you how to descale your Delonghi Caffe Corso automatic coffee machine. If the appliance light on the panel flashes, the left panel between the echo button, if this is flashing all day long, that means your Delonghi Caffe Corso machine needs a descaling. The the LED flash every time if the device is switched on. You will need a descaler. For example, Delonghi Eco Decork Mini. Descaler contains acid which may irritate the skin and eyes. It is vital to respect the manufacturer's safety warnings given on the descaler pack and the warning in on the back side of the device, etc. So we will need, if you're going to use the Eco Decork, you will need 1 liter fresh water and 100 milliliter of the Eco Decork. 1 to 10. You will dip them together, okay? Dip them together into the water tank and get the water tank into the Delonghi Caffe Corso machine. Then that is step number one. Then turn the machine on. And while you are turning on the machine, you have to press the button left between the eco mode until 5 seconds, for example, 5 seconds. Of course, you have to get a stand, get a container under the steam exit area, as you can see here, and then start the appliance and push the floating button. This is the button left of the eco button for approximately 5 seconds until the LED's cup 1, cup 2 begins to flashing. Then it's time, or this is the setup to go into the descaling mode. Awesome, we reached that level. Then step number next is we can see all LEDs are flashing. Then the descale button is still shining red, and we can start with the descaling mode. It's really easy. It's important to look between the dangers of burns, because out of this nozzle will come hot water and descaling liquid, and this is acid a little bit. Turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise. The descaler solution flows out of the cappuccino maker into the underlying container. This descale program automatically performs a series of rinses and pauses to remove limescale deposits from inside of the machine. Really easy, as you can see, but this takes about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, the water tank is empty. And of course, the water tank LED is on. The lights will go on, of course, because the water tank is empty. Then we can remove the container with the descaling liquid inside and get this liquid into not drink it, not drinking. It comes into the drain. Job's done. So this is step number 1 with descaling. Now our device is descaled, of course, but inside are exit and descaling liquid too, and that we have to remove. For this, we remove the water tank again, and now wash up the water tank with fresh water. The water tank has to be completely empty, and you have to clean the water tank with fresh water. That's enough. And then, of course, you have to refill the water tank again with fresh water. This is important. And turn the steam knob a half turn to position O again. Or that is important too. Nothing will be happened, okay, because there is a safety thing. But now we are back in the liquid washout setup. Now, fresh water is in the tank. The cappuccino knob, the steam knob is on 0 setting. You can see the device is already flashing, and now it's time to make another steam knob half turn anti-clockwise action. Then the hot water comes out of the spout until the water tank is empty. After this, it is nearly done. When the tank is completely empty, the left LED from the eco button is out and the water tank lights comes on. Then turn the knob to position O and fill the water tank again. And the pillions goes off automatically, as you can see. It is how to descale it. Of course, now we can refill the water tank and then we can use the pillions again. For this, turn it on by pressing the power button. So, shortcut, it's really easy. The descaler is ready. You will need 1 liter of fresh water, 100 milliliter of descaler. Dip then into the tank. Then it's time to push the button for descaling. This is the button left of the eco button, not the eco button, left of them. Push, hold for 5 seconds. Then open the cappuccino maker's steam knob and let the machine work for approximately 30 minutes until the tank is empty. Of course, the descale liquid has to be into a container. Remove the container and remove the tank. Then use new fresh water. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.